The PageTatin version update 1.2.0 features an exciting new feature, which is a native file format called .tatin, and you can now save your project as a native PageTatin file. This also means you can open your files with a double click, which I will show later, and the export as JSON feature stays for backwards compatibility. Another new feature is that you can now duplicate pages. You can select one or several pages and then duplicate them from the right-click menu or via the edit menu. There is an enhancement regarding the export wording, and it is now consistent for the PDF. Menu command, dialog, and also confirmation buttons all say now export previously as save. There is an important bug fix. Opening a different Flatplan now no longer overrides the active one without a warning. Now let's have a look at the features. So I will quit PageTatin first. And here in Adobe Bridge we can see that PageTatin files now have their own icon, and if I double click it, it opens the app and you can start working right here. Up here in the top panel there is also a new Save As button, which was formerly the Export button, and now you can save the file as a .tatin file. You can still find the export as JSON here in the file menu, and this also is the backwards compatibility to PageTatin versions 1.0 to 1.0.4. So formally, when you changed something in the file, let's just do that here. I will add a cover. And now I try to open a different file. Then I get now a warning which says that there are unsaved changes and the project will be replaced. So we can now save it, and we'll save it as Flatplan crop marks, which already exists here. And now open a new issue. As long as there are not any changes, you can open a different project without having to save the currently open one. And we're back in the other issue. The next new feature is that you can now duplicate pages. So let's start here with duplicating page 25. You can either right click and duplicate the page like this, undo it, or select it and via the edit menu duplicate as well. The duplicated pages will always be attached to the last selected page. So if I have 4 selected and duplicate them, I can duplicate the selected pages and they will be placed before the culture page. You can also use the Alt key or Option key to duplicate pages. So let's just select those 4 pages. And importantly, you have to hold the Alt key before starting to drag. So I hold it down and then drag, and you will be shown by the indicator where the pages will be dropped.